Welcome, I'm Rony. Today we're talking about sports and fitness, something that brings people together all over the world. Whether you're a fan or a player, sports are a great topic for conversation. People love talking about their favorite teams, their workouts, and staying healthy. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Let's begin. Asking someone about sports. Do you like sports? Do you like sports? What sports do you play? What sports do you play? What's your favorite sport to watch? What's your favorite sport to watch? Do you follow any sports teams? Do you follow any sports teams? Who's your favorite athlete? Who's your favorite athlete? Did you watch the game last night? Did you watch the game last night? Popular sports around the world. Let's learn the names of popular sports in English. I love playing football. I love playing football. In some countries, they call it soccer. In some countries, they call it soccer. Cricket is huge in many countries. Cricket is huge in many countries. Tennis is a sport you can play for life. Tennis is a sport you can play for life. I enjoy swimming, especially in summer. I enjoy swimming, especially in summer. Volleyball is fun at the beach. Volleyball is fun at the beach. More popular sports. I like watching boxing matches. I like watching boxing matches. Rugby is a very physical sport. Rugby is a very physical sport. Golf requires a lot of patience. Golf requires a lot of patience. Formula One racing is exciting to watch. Formula One racing is exciting to watch. Martial arts teach discipline and respect. Martial arts teach discipline and respect. I've always wanted to try surfing. I've always wanted to try surfing. Talking about exercise. Many people exercise to stay healthy. Many people exercise to stay healthy. I go to the gym 3 times a week. I go to the gym 3 times a week. I like lifting weights to build muscle. I like lifting weights to build muscle. Cardio exercises are good for your heart. Cardio exercises are good for your heart. I go jogging in the morning. I go jogging in the morning. Running helps me clear my mind. Running helps me clear my mind. I do yoga to relax and stay flexible. I do yoga to relax and stay flexible. Stretching is important before and after exercise. Stretching is important before and after exercise. Fitness activities. I love cycling on weekends. I love cycling on weekends. Hiking in nature is my favorite activity. Hiking in nature is my favorite activity. I do Pilates to strengthen my core. I do Pilates to strengthen my core. CrossFit is intense but very effective. CrossFit is intense but very effective. I enjoy dancing. It's fun and keeps me fit. I enjoy dancing. It's fun and keeps me fit. Zumba classes are high energy and fun. Zumba classes are high energy and fun. Talking about fitness goals. I'm trying to get in shape. I'm trying to get in shape. I want to lose a few pounds. I want to lose a few pounds. My goal is to build more muscle. My goal is to build more muscle. I'm training for a marathon. I'm training for a marathon. I want to improve my endurance. I want to improve my endurance. I'm trying to eat healthier and exercise more. I'm trying to eat healthier and exercise more. I feel much better when I exercise regularly. I feel much better when I exercise regularly. Talking about teams and players. Which team do you support? Which team do you support? I'm a huge fan of the Lakers. I'm a huge fan of the Lakers. My favorite player is LeBron James. My favorite player is LeBron James. They won the championship last year. They won the championship last year. The game went into overtime. The game went into overtime. It was a close match, but they lost. It was a close match, but they lost. The final score was 3-2. The final score was 3-2. Practice conversation 1. Person A. Do you play any sports? Do you play any sports? Person B. Yeah, I play basketball on weekends. Yeah, I play basketball on weekends. Person A. Nice. Where do you play? Nice. Where do you play? Person B. At the local park with some friends. At the local park with some friends. Person A. How often do you play? How often do you play? Person B. Usually on Saturdays, sometimes Sundays. Usually on Saturdays, sometimes Sundays. Practice conversation 2. Do you follow any sports? Do you follow any sports? I love watching football, especially the World Cup. I love watching football, especially the World Cup. Who's your favorite team? Who's your favorite team? I support Brazil. They play beautiful football. I support Brazil. They play beautiful football. Do you play any sports yourself? Do you play any sports yourself? I go to the gym, but I don't play team sports. I go to the gym, but I don't play team sports. That's cool. Staying fit is important. That's cool. Staying fit is important. Today, you learned how to talk about sports and fitness in English. Now you can join conversations about games, exercise, and staying healthy. Practice these phrases with friends. Talk about your favorite sports. Ask others about their fitness routines. This was Learning with Rony. I'm Rony. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.